काट ताकत सर
धूप इधर भी दिखी है। भैया शर्ट अपने को
Good morning, friends. As you all know, COVID-19 pandemic has been a global menace for last more than 10 months. India has not been untouched. In Tripura, we have faced different waves of COVID-19 infection. But I am happy to inform you that as BSF personnel, we have fought shoulder to shoulder with the state health care system and the administrative machinery in containing and controlling the spread and treating our patients as well as the patients from the locality. As on day, 1,532 COVID positive cases have been reported amongst the members of BSF personnel in this frontier, out of which 826 patients have been treated in this composite hospital and rest have been taken care of in different COVID care centers all over the frontier. I am again happy to inform you that all the patients except one have been treated successfully. Only one person amongst them have succumbed to the disease, that too when he was referred to GB Pant Hospital in Agartala. We in BSF have implemented all COVID protocols and taken very strict precautionary measures in different phases in true letter and spirit, and our Jawans, especially healthcare workers, have shown exemplary dedication and devotion to duty in discharging their responsibilities 24/7 all over this period, starting from the beginning of the COVID menace. We in BSF have always joined the various fights against various national emergencies in every walks of life. Similarly, this time also, BSF is going to be in the forefront of this national vaccination program starting here in this campus today. Today we have about 100 healthcare workers of this location who will be vaccinated in the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. We are very enthusiastic about it and we are going ahead with no fear or apprehension in our mind. I am thankful to the state health authorities and state administration, in particular the Director NHF, in organizing and supporting this initiative of vaccination. I take this opportunity to again thank all our healthcare workers who have silently worked as Samaritans for this fight against COVID-19 in very selfless manner and with full dedication and devotion to their duty. This is an honor for BSF to organize this vaccination program today. We welcome you all to be witness to this program starting today. Thank you.